Me, I'm gonna be your head lead facilitator, which means that I will only facilitate your knowledge. Ilalabas ko lang yung galing mo, ikaw talaga yan.
Kapalit ng pangarap nating lahat. Anong iniisip niyo yung problema? Sabi ko kanina, huminga kayo bago magbuhat. Walang naikinig, di ba? Nakatingin kayo lahat sa problema.
Kung isang tao, lulunurin ka, hayaan mo na lang malunod. Because you are valuable, you can help other people na willing magpasagip. The problem is, sinasagip natin yung ayaw magpasagip. Now we are drowning with them. Every we lead is the best we lead. You know, we thought 05 was the best, dumating sa 06. And we thought 06 was the best. We will see how you guys will perform. It's not about the pen and the notebook. It's about keeping my word because this is my team. We lead 07 tayo eh, diba? Kasi akala mo, yun lang yung dapat mong gawin. So you thought, you are 100%. But then you will realize, hindi mo lang pala alam yung 99 other things that you also have to do. Minsan, nakamaskara. Takot ako ma-reject eh. Are you sure? Or sinasabotahe mo sarili mo? Na sinasadya mong kunwari, maskara mo, takot ka lang ma-reject. Na nape-pressure ka, na maraming excuses, but at the end of the day, you just wanna sabotage you. Because you are blaming yourself. Sila yung nagpalaki sa'yo. Of course, they love you. So all they want is to give you love. All they want is palakihin ka, mahalin ka. So what do you think you can do for them? To continue that legacy.
Na mahalin kay sarili ko din.
Yeah.
You have 30 minutes. Make the most of it. 30 minutes tayo, okay? Hindi tayo nagmamadali. I want you to allow your feelings. Allow your feelings kung ano yung nararamdaman nyo, kung ano yung paghihirap nyo. Please write it down. Be open as much as you can. If you want to cry, cry.
Yes, lumalaban siya. Yun nga yun eh. Lumaban siya para sa'yo. Pero that doesn't mean na kontrolado mo yun o kontrolado niya yun. Lumaban siya para sa'yo. Lumaban ka rin naman para sa kanya eh.
Huwag mo sisihin yung sarili mo. Kasi at the end of the day, may ginawa kang tama eh. You have to be vulnerable. In order to do that, must open your heart, communicate.
There should be a space to love myself more, to accept. It's just not merely acknowledgement yourself, but then the acceptance na right now, nasan ba ako ngayon? Sino ba ako ngayon? So yun, yung space. Space is unahin ko muna yung sarili ko.
Windows down on my favorite street. Sunset and
We are VE07!
We are VE07!
Let's go!
Can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove. And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to memories. Memories.
We need 07, don't resist. Huwag kalilimutan yung natutunan nyo dito sa loob. Power, trust, love. Guys, mahal ko kayo. Sa sobrang laki ng puso ko, lahat kayo kasya dito.
Can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove.
Yes, good day to you guys. I'm just super happy and proud right now. Mainly because you guys had been showing up in excellence and responsibility. But of course, just like every leader, we started with being victims of our past. You guys are always overthinking, maraming judgment sa isa't isa. Yung iba natatakot, nagdududa. But eventually, you are able to move forward. You are able to transform. You are able to finish 100%. And I firmly believe that there's a reason why you are part of We Lead 07. Ako naniniwala, kung dadalhin nyo sa labas lahat ng natutunan nyo dito, you will achieve everything and anything that you want. And as your head fasty, I just want to remind you, We Lead 07, don't resist.
Memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when the